Are fixed annuities a good investment? Number one, we can't call investments or money we put into fixed places money we can't lose. That's not really an investment. Investment is when you take a risk in some kind of vehicle, whether it be a stock or somebody down the street opening their own company. It's a risk. You're putting money aside into that company, and you're hoping to get a better return in the future. And number one, you're hoping to get your money back. Well, if you can lose your money, that's considered an investment. So in my mind, when we're putting money into a fixed or fixed indexed annuity, we're really not investing the money because we can't lose it. There are some very special features on some of the annuities that exist today that enable your money to grow at a certain percentage each year until you decide to take it out. Then you start taking it out in a monthly fashion over your whole lifetime, and you can never outlive this money. Even if your balance goes to zero, you can't outlive the money. How is this possible, Coach Pete? Well, because it's in the contract. It's in writing. It's in a contract in your favor, folks. How often do we see contracts in our favor these days? Well, we do in the fixed indexed annuity market. It's a great place to give you retirement income you can never, ever outlive. Now, how easy it is to build a retirement plan when you already know with certainty what the income's going to be? Don't you think it'd be easy to take more risk with leftover money you don't need to give this income? Wouldn't it be easier to take risk knowing that even if you lost the money or if the market was down, you didn't have to liquidate that money. You could wait for it to come back because the money you have in your fixed indexed annuity is giving you an income you can never outlive. This is called retirement planning. Many folks are out here selling you strategies, trying to get you to put all your money at risk, showing you a dream that may never happen. Folks, the number one rule of investing is to get back what you started with. Number two rule of investing is to make sure you continue to get that money. And number three rule of investing is to make sure you have lifetime income you can never outlive. Folks, it's always a good place to put your money in a safe environment. So what I mean by that is it's never a bad day to put some money in a safe place. Now, safe doesn't have to be boring. So if the market goes up, let's say 20%, maybe you get about a 10% of that return. If the market goes down 30%, you share in zero of the loss. That's the beauty of what a fixed indexed annuity is. It's not here to get you rich, but it's here to keep you from ever getting poor. It's not here to take you to the exotic places in the world, but it's here to keep you away from the worst places of the world. Folks, the way to get the plan that you deserve is to take the first step. Contact us with the number you see on the screen or the button you can press there on the screen and get your very own plan started today. There is no fee or obligation. It's called Coach Pete's Power Plan. We put together for you every single item that you have in your financial portfolio. We itemize it out for you, showing you what is red for risk, what's green for safe, and what's yellow for emergency money. If you contact us today. Coach Pete, we'll see you next week right here on another great video.